Hello, my name is Klavs and welcome to another Mazda 6 video. This time it will be how I clean headliners. And this headliner is from my Mazda 6. It's pretty bad, it's in a bad condition, it's really bad. So I'm gonna show you how I tackle these dirt, grime, dust and whatever is there. I do not eat there anymore because it smells. The car still smells like dog. And whatever is that. Whatever is this, it smells. This is a sample I tested. I tested a combination what you can get from this. These both sides were exactly the same to this. You can see there is still some things like these. There is still some. As you can see, here I cleaned and here it isn't cleaned. Here I cleaned. So you can see there is a better result, much better. It's not perfect because you cannot fix rips and tears. You cannot fix this, obviously, that's obvious. But I'm gonna show you how I did this. This is fully dry. This is completely dry, see? So I'm gonna show you how I did this and all the tools. And what I used will be in the description down below. The links for them will be in the description down below. Let me tell you, I will use Bissell Spot Clean Pro. This bottle, and this bottle has this one, Meguiar's all-purpose cleaner. I do for cleaning everything else. I will have a drill brush with a soft attachment. This is the soft version, the soft bristles, so it won't damage the headliner. Now, this is filled with just water. See, in here, just water in there. And I have some microfiber cloths to soak up and even it all out. Now this is just plain water, nothing else. There isn't anything else in there. And I'm gonna use the small nozzle for it. These are the tools I'm gonna use to clean this. Now, if you look on many more videos how to clean the headliners, many people tell you like, don't use anything else. Use only the headliner cleaner, wipe it on, clean it and leave it. Let it dry. Just dry till it's all even. As this headliner is fully, excuse my language, fucked. This one is fucked. I can use whatever I want, and if this comes off, the cloth comes off, I'm not afraid to put a new cloth on it. Because this is damaged and this is ruined. I have it better looking like this than like this. And many of you would agree. If your headliner looks like this, you have two choices. Go full balls on cleaning or get a new headliner. As the budget isn't that big for me, cleaning shall do. Cleaning shall do just fine. So let's start. I'll show you how I got from this to this. If you want to use that on your own headliner, do it, but be careful. People don't recommend it. Because it's water, it's wet, and it will leave a patch. If you're doing a small patch, it will leave a patch. But I'm not afraid of that. And the headliner will be cleaner. So this is my way how I do it. If you don't agree or disagree or I'm doing something wrong, please tell me in the comments below. But generally, I don't care. I've seen so many videos and what each of them is saying a different thing. So trust and listen to whoever you wanna. I'm just a DIY guy. I'm not a pro expert with 15 or 50 years of cleaning. Just DIY. Just do it yourself with hand tools and what you can buy from the local store. So let's go straight in. Well, let's start with the all-purpose cleaner. And what you wanna do is, where it's really dirty, you can see the line, the water line. Or actually, this is the water line. This is where it's fully cleaned. And that's supposed to be a water line. Let's see after I'm done cleaning if here will be a line. But we start with all-purpose cleaner and now you all can see it's fully doused. from here till here. This is how I did. As this part is clean, I'll try to protect it with rags. You will see, this is fully white, you will see here will be brown splashes because from this. Let's go to town. And now comes the whistle. So this is the first one. Now it's wet to the touch. And now where the microfiber cloths are coming in. Ta-da! See, now it's clean. And now it's not wet to the touch. See? This is a not wet hand. This isn't wet too. So this isn't wet. This is clean. Let me tell you a lie. I'll show you why this isn't clean. I'll show you. Would you say this is a white clean cloth? Now let me rub this white clean cloth over this, what we just cleaned with all-purpose cleaner with water and rubbed it. Even though I cleaned this and this is dry, this is as dry as this. You can see the line in the camera, this line. I don't see it in real life. That's what camera is showing. Sorry, I'm out of breath. But as you can see, it's different. Look at how it was before. See, this is what I cleaned today. So this is what we just cleaned. That's already a huge difference. And I'll show you the water we took off from this. That's clean water. It's meant to be clean. This was in the headliner. This is not the floor. This is not the ground. This is a fucking headliner. Disgusting. So I'll do the rest on a speed up. I'll be farther away on a speed up. I'll do complete all of it and then I'll show you the water. How disgusting is it? Let's go the speed up. And that's it. That's how I clean the headliner of my Mazda 6. These are the results of the cleaning that I do. It's not wet. See, my hand isn't moist or wet. It's all clean. Basically it needs to dry and it will blend in. So you can see now there it will dry a bit and it will blend in fully. It's not perfect because this was fucked. This was fully fucked. This would never be perfect, but it's cleaner, it's nicer to be in. That's it. Hope you find this video entertaining at least, or informative. See you next one. Bye bye.